Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where auto hide taskbar is not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. So first of all, let us check the settings. Right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. Expand the list for taskbars and there's an option which says automatically hide the taskbar. If this is checked, the auto hide taskbar option should work, and if it doesn't, then uncheck it. If it's unchecked, then it will not work. You can also try restarting your computer to fix the problem. So right click on the start button, shut down or sign out and restart it. And lastly, if that doesn't help either, then you can perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.